Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 1 Outlook. I apologize for the lateness of the video. I was running some errands this morning, so I didn't really have time until now to make a Day 1 Outlook video. But here I am, so better late than never, I suppose. So let's get to it. We have a slight risk of severe weather today that encompasses southwestern Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, much of Kansas, the northeastern half of Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas, and southwestern Missouri. Cities in today's slate include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, and Fort Smith, Arkansas. And we have two marginals today, one covering far southeastern Wyoming, parts of Nebraska, eastern Colorado, southwestern and northeastern Kansas, parts of Missouri, much of Arkansas, the southwestern half of Oklahoma, parts of northern and western Texas, and far southeastern New Mexico. And the other marginal today covers southeastern Florida. Cities in today's marginals include Miami, Florida, Hialeah, Florida, Lubbock, Texas, Little Rock, Arkansas, and Amarillo, Texas. Going to the tornado threat for today, we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses southwestern Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, parts of western Kansas, a tiny part of the panhandle of Texas, and northern Oklahoma. Cities in today's 2% tornado risk area today include Tulsa, Oklahoma, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, Enid, Oklahoma, Stillwater, Oklahoma, and Muskogee, Oklahoma. Going to today's wind threat, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers southwestern Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, much of Kansas, southwestern Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, and the northeastern half of Oklahoma. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, and Fort Smith, Arkansas. And there are two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering far southeastern Wyoming, parts of Nebraska, parts of eastern Colorado, parts of Kansas, parts of Missouri, parts of Arkansas, much of Arkansas, I should say, the southwestern half of Oklahoma, northern and western Texas, and far southeastern New Mexico. And the other 5% wind risk area today encompasses southeastern Florida. Cities in the 5% wind risk areas today include Miami, Florida, Hialeah, Florida, Lubbock, Texas, Little Rock, Arkansas, and Amarillo, Texas. Going to today's hail threat, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses southwestern Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, much of Kansas, much of the northeastern half of Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas, and southwestern Missouri. Cities in the 15% hail risk area today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, and Fort Smith, Arkansas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, there is a narrow black dashed area today. The black dashed area today encompasses a tiny bit of southwest Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, parts of Kansas, and north central Oklahoma. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Cities in the black dashed area today include Garden City, Kansas, Dodge City, Kansas, and Sterling, Colorado. And again, the black dashed area is the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. And we have two areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. One covering, why is this up there on me? two areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. Okay, one covering far southeastern Wyoming, parts of Nebraska, eastern Colorado, parts of Kansas, parts of Missouri, much of Arkansas, the southwestern half of Oklahoma, northern and western Texas, and southeastern New Mexico. And the other 5% hail risk area today encompasses southeastern Florida. Cities in the 5% hail risk areas today include Miami, Florida, Hialeah, Florida, Lubbock, Texas, Little Rock, Arkansas, and Amarillo, Texas. So, in summary, isolated to scattered severe thunderstorms should develop across parts of the southern and central plains this afternoon through the overnight hours, with large hail and severe gusts the main threats. Isolated very large hail greater than 2 inches in diameter may occur. So, that's the day one outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today. Stay safe in the affected areas today, and my day 2 outlook will come out mid to late afternoon. My mom and I are taking our dog to my mom and I are taking our dog to physical therapy today, so I'm gonna be a little late again with the video. I'm gonna be late with the video again today for the day 2 outlook. So, but I will have it this time. The reason I didn't do it last Friday was because I was swamped with the reason I didn't do the day 2 outlook last Friday was because I was swamped with getting alerts last Friday. So the only difference between this week and last week was I was swamped with alerts last Friday, but I'm not going to be swamped with alerts today. So anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, and expect my day 2 outlook to come out around 3 or 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon. Take care.